Welcome to LLMs for Dummies. If you've been hearing about large language models or LLMs but aren't sure what they are or how they work, this video is for you. We'll break down the essentials of these powerful artificial intelligence tools in simple, non-technical terms. An LLM is a type of artificial intelligence incredibly skilled at understanding, generating, and processing human language, whether that's English, French, or even computer code. Think of an LLM as a super intelligent predictive text engine that has read a massive digital library to learn exactly how words and sentences fit together. The large part simply means two things. First, it's been trained on a massive amount of data. And second, it has a huge number of parameters, often in the billions, which are the connections it uses to process information. Now, let's look at the core concept behind how these complex systems generate their responses. Next word prediction. The core function of any LLM is to predict the single most likely next word in any sequence of text you give it. When you type a question or command, known as your prompt, the LLM first breaks your text down into smaller pieces called tokens, which can be words, parts of words, or punctuation. The LLM then analyzes these tokens, calculates the probability of what word should come next based on its training, and outputs that word, repeating this rapid cycle until the full response is complete. The best news is that you don't need to be an IT expert to use LLMs. Almost all popular models are accessed through a simple chat window. Common uses include drafting professional emails, saving you time with structured writing, and summarizing long documents, giving you quick insights into complex reports. You can also use LLMs for brainstorming ideas, instantly generating creative names or taglines, and for instant, accurate language translation, breaking down barriers. Let's explore some of the most popular LLMs that you can start using today through their user-friendly chatbot platforms. Gemini by Google is known for its excellent integration with Google services. ChatGPT by OpenAI is effective as a general-purpose conversational tool, known for its human-like responses across a massive range of tasks. Finally, there is Claude by Anthropic. It's highly regarded for processing very long documents and focuses on providing helpful and reliable responses, making it great for sensitive or complex tasks. LLMs are powerful tools transforming how we interact with technology and language. They truly serve as the world's most knowledgeable assistant, ready to help you draft, summarize, brainstorm, and translate. If you want to get the most out of these tools, consider looking into prompt engineering to truly supercharge your use of LLMs. Subscribe Focus ME for more learning. Thank you.